Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig image on Canva. This is essential if you're looking to make your Fiverr gigs stand out and attract more potential clients with professional, eye-catching visuals. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on Canva's homepage where you can access all your design tools and templates. Now, look over to the left sidebar and click on the plus Create button. This will open up various design options that Canva offers. From the left panel that appears, click on Custom Size. This step is crucial because Fiverr has specific dimensions for gig images, and using the correct size ensures your image displays perfectly without any cropping or distortion. Next, you'll need to enter the required dimensions. Type in 712 for the width and 430 for the height. These are the exact specifications Fiverr requires when uploading a gig image, so getting this right from the start saves you from having to resize later. Once you've entered both dimensions, click Create New Design in the right panel. This will generate a blank canvas with the perfect proportions for your Fiverr gig. Now it's time to add some content to your design. In the left panel, you'll see a search bar. For example, if you're offering social media marketing services, type social media marketing into the search bar and press enter. Alternatively, if you prefer to start from scratch, you can edit directly on your own blank canvas. The search will bring up a variety of templates tailored to your keyword, giving you plenty of creative options to choose from. Browse through the results and click on your preferred templates. Canva will load it onto your canvas, and you can now begin customizing it to fit your specific gig. You can edit every text element by simply clicking on it. This allows you to change headings, descriptions, or any other text to match your service offering. If you want to add more elements, you can also add text or photos from the left panel. This flexibility lets you personalize the design and make it truly unique to your brand. Play around with different fonts, colors, and images until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once you're happy with your design, head to the upper right and click Share. From the options that appear, click Download. A menu will pop up where you can select your file type by clicking the drop-down menu. Choose the format that works best for you, typically PNG for high quality, then click Download. Canva will process and save your image to your device. And there you have it. You can now upload your image to your Fiverr gigs and start attracting more buyers with a professional, polished gig image. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.